Oh, good job. Use your fork, baby. Use your fork, Jackie boy. Jack, where's your fork? I thought you were using your fork. Can you use your fork? Oh, good job. Yay! 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 Good job, Jackie! Yay! Good job! Yeah. Can you say good job, Jack?
Papa.
Yeah, good job.
Papa.
Yeah, what a big boy. Using your fork. Oh, gonna try your right hand? Oh. Good job! Yay!